ahead with part 2 of Lunar Landing. Lunar Landing looks like this. We just did it a moment ago, but there are a lot of great extensions to it, so we'll kind of continue with those. One version is this, right? I call it Skin the Moon. Skin the Cat, of course, is up and out like that. Skin the Moon is up and right down into Lunar Landing, so it just helps you get used to putting your hand in that position for the mount, which is a good way to practice it, and it's also just kind of a fun way to end a trick. Another good variation is called Crash Landing, where you follow the yo-yo kind of going around in a punch regen, right? Throw it out forward pass, punch it, find it in Lunar Landing, right? It's kind of tough because it's blind as it goes over your shoulder, but definitely doable. Another great example is reverse Lunar Landing, right? Or reverse lunar, which you can do just from forward pass. You throw it and you catch it upside down in Lunar Landing, right? If I catch it and kind of stop it right here, you can see that it's the same idea. You're just going to put your thumb in front of the string, and as the yo-yo winds up upside down, you catch it in an upside down lunar, right? The lunar's not upside down, but your hand is, right? Regular lunar would be like this, right? And then if you just throw a forward pass, the yo-yo's coming back the other way, so you just get in that position and catch it that way, right? Once you have that down, you can do a lot of cool things, right? Because you can throw like a breakaway to regular lunar, and then throw a reverse breakaway and catch it in, you know, reverse lunar. So, and you can just go back and forth all day with that, right? You can even go around and catch it in a Lunar Double or nothing. There are a lot of different great examples that you can do with that. You can even snap start it and forward pass it right into reverse lunar, which is a great way to, you know, continue with a combo or begin a combo. So, a lot of great variations on Lunar Landing. Learn them all and get really used to them. A lot of great ways to get better at finding those tiny little one-handed mounts, which is a big part of fixed axle right now. So have fun.